Why does it make some noise? I love to make noise. Me too. Oh yeah, baby.
Oops.
Making all that noise?
Ooh, here comes Goo Goo Mom.
I bet it's Gaga Baby. Gaga Baby, you're not asleep. You can't trick me.
You caught me, Mommy.
Do you know who's making the noises?
I picked up the magic wand and turned Goo Goo Gaga into twins. Sorry.
Well, pick up your magic wand and help me fix this mess.
Okay, Mommy.
Huh? Hey kids, where is the noise coming from? Is it coming from the kitchen, the living room, or the toy room? It's coming from the toy room. Thank you, Goo Goo friends. I see that noisemaker. Aha!
Hi, Goo Goo Mom.
Hi, and bye.
See you later, Goo Goo Gaga. You're making too much noise.
Woo!
2 down, 2 more to go.
Oh, hi, Goo Goo Mom.
Dude, you're making too much noise. Adios.
Phew. Oh, hi, Gaga Baby.
Adios, Goo Goo Gaga.
Hey guys, who made all that noise?
You were silly.
Huh? Oh well. Goo Goo guys.
Good night, Monster Dude. What's that? Who's making all that noise? Hey! Hey, Google friends, where's the noise coming from? Is it coming from the kitchen, upstairs, or the living room? It's coming from the living room. Good job, Google friends. I see the noise maker. Gaga Baby.
Yes, Easy Kid.
Are you making all that noise?
Yes, Easy Kid.
Put that away. I'm trying to sleep here.
Okay, sorry.
Finally, peace and quiet. see anyone. Hey, Goo Goo friends, do you see the noise maker? Is the noise coming from the boys' room, toy room, or the kitchen? It's coming from the kitchen. Thank you, Goo Goo friends. I see that noise maker. Goo Goo Gaga.
Yes, Easy Kid.
Are you making all that noise?
Yes, Easy Kid.
Put those pots away, please. I'm trying to sleep.
Okay, sorry.
Little brothers. Who's that making all that noise? I wonder where the noise is coming from. Hey! I don't see nobody at the front door. Hey, Goo Goo friends, do you see the noise maker? Is the noise coming from the kitchen, boys' room, or backyard? It's coming from the backyard. Thank you, Goo Goo friends. I see that noise maker. Gaga Baby?
Yes, Easy Kid.
Are you making all that noise? I'm trying to sleep.
Yes, Easy Kid.
Put the llama up, dude.
Okay, sorry.
I love my little brother, but they get on my nerves sometimes. Who's that making that noise again? I bet the noise is coming from my brother's room. Huh? Hey, Goo Goo friends, did you guys know where the noise is coming from? Is it coming from the kitchen, living room, or toy room? It's coming from the toy room. Thank you, Goo Goo friends.
Four.
Goo Goo Gaga.
Yes, Easy Kid.
Is that you making all that noise?
Yes, Easy Kid.
Stop making all that noise. I was trying to sleep, but now I'm up.
Okay, sorry. I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna take a nap.
Ooh, let's sing a song. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Left, right, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. The left, right song.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Left, right. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Left and right.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Left, right, left, right.
I can't sleep. I can't sleep.
What's wrong, Goo Goo Gaga and Gaga Baby?
You monsters are making too much noise. Yeah, we can't sleep.
Well, don't be noisy when other people's trying to sleep.
Okay, Ziggy Kid.
Kids, remember! When someone is sleeping, be considerate, but not making too much loud sounds.
Goo Goo Guys.
Yay!
Hey, come back.
Goo Goo Gaga, make sure to look after the kids.
Oh no, I'm gonna find the kid before the dad come back. Mommy.
Yes, Goo Goo Gaga, how may I help you?
I need help to find a car. May you help me?
Sure, I'll help you. Let's go.
car should we find first? Blue. Okay, we'll find a blue car. Hey! Where is the blue car? Hey kids, do you see the blue car? Is the blue car in the living room, bedroom, or toy room? It's in the toy room. Thank you, I see the blue car. I found your blue car.
Hello, Goo Goo Gaga.
Time to take a nap. Boom!
Hey kids, what colored car should we find next?
Green.
Okay, let's find the green car. Hey! Where is the green car? Hey kids, have you seen the green car? Is the green car in the kitchen, living room, or bedroom? It's in the bedroom. Thank you kids, I see the green car. I found you, green car, I found you.
You finally found me.
Time to take a nap. Boom!
Hey kids, what car should we find next? Orange. Okay, we'll find the orange car. Hey! Where is the orange car? Hey kids, do you see the orange car? Is the orange car in the toy room, bedroom, or living room? The orange car in the living room. Thank you, I see the orange car. I found your orange car. I found you, dude.
Hi, Goo Goo Gaga.
Time to take a nap. Boom!
Hey kids, what color car should we find next?
Right.
Okay, the red one. Hey! Where is the red car? Hey kids, do you see the red car? Is the red car in the bedroom, the living room, or the kitchen? It's in the kitchen. Thank you kids, I see the red car. I found you, car.
Yay, you finally found me.
Red car, it's time to take a nap. Boom!
Hello, we are ready to take the kids home.
Kids, time to go home.
Yay!
Hey kids, what color we learned today? Orange, blue, green, red. We love you.
Subscribe to our channel.
Goo Goo Toys. Goo Goo Toys. We play hide and seek.
Yay!
Boom.
Elephant,
Boom, boom.
horse, lion,
Boom, 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 boom.
goat, fish.
Hey, Iris, you want to play hide and seek?
I love to play hide and seek. That'll be fun.
Me and Gaga Baby will count to 5 and you guys will hide.
How will I count to 5?
It's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now do you know how to count to 5, Gaga Baby?
Oh yes, I can count to 5.
Okay, count your fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay, I can count to 5.
Great job! You guys count while we hide.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now here I come. Let Ella count 5 first. Goat and fish. Goose and fish. Hey! I'll see goat and fish. Hey, good friend, did you see the animals? Are they in the kitchen, bedroom, or living room? They are in the living room. Good job, Google friends. I see them. I'm finding goats and fish. good job. You found us. We were. Boom, boom.
Hey kids, what animal should I find?
The horse and elephant.
Okay, let's find the horse and elephant. Oh man, I don't see horse and elephant. Hey Goo Goo friends, do you see horse and elephant? Are they in the living room? Kitchen? Outside? They are in the kitchen. Thank you, Goo Goo friends. I see them now. I found you, horse and elephant. I found you.
Great job, dude.
See you later.
What animal can I find next? Lion. Lion. Hey. I was seeing a lion. Hey, you friend, do you see a lion? Is the lion in mom's room, girl's room, or boy's room? The lion is in the boy's room. Oh, dang! Find the lion.
Great job, dude.
They were. Boom.
Hey Goo Goo friends, what animals did we learn today? Elephant, horse, lion, goat, fish.
Alright, what you got here, Xavier?
The Lego City, the Ocean Submarine set.
Okay. Are you ready to build?
Yeah.
Alright.
But let's see what's the back. So this thing shows that this can pull this out at the back.
Mm-hmm.
And
So it was a mini submarine?
I think so.
Okay.
And there's a crab. I don't know what this fish is. But it says it can glow in the dark.
Yeah, it's one of those deep sea fish that lives deep in the ocean.
Ooh, after this, let's see. We can put a little setup.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so it can be a ocean's kind of setup.
Okay, cool. Let's open it. Okay, so you got all the pieces out of the bag.
Yeah, so there's 4 bags and 3 booklets.
Okay, so you ready to build?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get built. Okay, Goo Goo Gaga, so it's an angler fish.
And it can glow in the dark.
Yeah, he's a big, giant. He has long teeth, and he has this light thing above his head, huh?
Yeah, so we can see.
So you can see at night.
Sometimes, well, in the deep, dark ocean above, the light, usually that's why they have this one.
Okay. So are we almost finished?
Yeah, I did this thing.
Yeah, you did that, but I done this so far.
Yeah, so after the set, when it's done, I'm pretty sure you put it like this.
So
it can
inside the
move.
back of it.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it can move.
We're about to find out, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
We'll be back
also
soon.
there's a piece of
Oh, what's this? Oh yeah,
thirst.
the little deep diver dudes. Oh, Goo Goo Gaga, you finished.
Yeah.
Got a little dude inside the submarine. Got the claws here. Can the claws move?
Yep.
Let's see. Oh,
It's awesome. But I don't know how to open this and I don't want to break this.
well, you can open it. Just pull it from the top. There you go.
So then you
see
can
what's-
put her in here.
got another companion inside the submarine. And his head is turned to the right. There we go.
Then put this. Put that the roof. Then after when it's done, when they find the treasure on this monster.
Oh, they find treasure in here?
No, they found this. They found these crystals and
Where the crystals are?
these green crystals. One right here and right here.
Oh.
And on the side right here.
Okay.
It's a little hidden. So
Oh, I see it right there.
so they get it out. They found it. And they say they found it. And they dropped it down and get it.
Oh, so this is another a little submarine?
Yeah, so it can collect a gem.
Oh. So where did that thing come from? From in there?
Yeah.
How does that work?
Push this like this. See? This broken. I grab it, put it in here, like that. Well, only one, so boom.
Okay.
And, well, I don't know where to put this, but I guess keep it in here.
What's that?
These gems.
All the green gems?
There's only
Green
two.
crystals? So how did this fish come out? Oh.
So when they found the gem, they're like, they found the gem, we found the gem. Quick, grab them.
I see.
And they grab it quick to go in there. Or to jump.
Okay.
Oh, this is how you do it.
Oh, so you just push that straight. And the anglerfish, the little anglerfish comes
attacks.
out. You're not taking my treasure. Get back.
Look guys, we got some treasure. Yeah, we got it. Yeah. It's a really cool trap. But the one that I like about this set is about this part. That you put this in, then you take it out. But y'all just want to be a little, think that this is a little weird, but when you have this, you want to say, yeah, that's right. Because you look, put this gem in here, lock it in there safely. But
Oh, so the gem is locked inside here?
yeah, but you can open it easily. And also they spin. So when this opens, like I'm pretty sure that I can capture the monster, I'll destroy it. Then put it back in, of course swim away, put it back in here. Then swim away, back up, but they forgot about them. So they just gonna put it right there.
So you did a good job, son. Give me 5.
Yay!
Oh no, come back here!
Gaga Baby, make sure you look after the kids.
Oh no, I need to find the kids!
What word would you like to spell first? Said Goo Goo Gaga.
Mommy!
Yes, Gaga Baby, I'm trying to read my Goo Goo Colors book.
I need help finding the car. May you help me?
Sure, I'll help you.
I'll help you too, Gaga Baby. May you help me see the kid?
Fine, I will help you. Let's go.
Hey kids, which car should we find first? Blue. Okay, let's find the blue car. Hey! Where is the blue car? Hey kids, do you know where's the blue car? Is it in the living room, bedroom, or toy room? It's in a toy room. Thank you, I see it. I found you, blue car.
Hello, Goo Goo Gaga.
I'm taking that. Boom. Hey kid, what car should I find next? Green. Green. Hey. I don't see green car. Hey friend, do you see green car? And a green car in the living room, toy room, or boys room? It's in the boys room. Good job, Goo friends. I see green car. I found your green car.
You finally found me.
See you later. Boom.
Hey kids, what car should I find next?
Red.
Okay, let's find the red car. Hey! I don't see a red car. Hey, Goo Goo friends, do you see a red car? Is the red car in the boys' room, toy room, or bathroom? It's in the bathroom. Thank you, Goo Goo friends. I see it. I found you, red car.
Yay!
Time to take a nap. Boom!
Hey kids, what car should we find next?
Green.
Let's find the green car. Hey! Where is the green car? Hey kids, do you know where's the green car? Is it in the toy room, living room, or kitchen? It is in the kitchen. Thank you, I see the green car. I found you, green car.
Yay! You finally found me.
Time to take a nap. Boom!
Who's that? Hello, Mommy Car.
Gaga Baby, I'm here to pick up the kids.
Kids, time to go home.
Yay!
Hey kids, what color we learn today? Red, green, blue, green. We love you. Let's go, guys.
Goo Goo Gaga, it's time to go to the park.
Yay, park! Hurry up!
Goo Goo Gaga, where are your socks?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Go in the house and find your socks, please.
Okay, Mommy. Hey! Where are my socks? Hey kid, where are my socks? Are they on the kitchen counter? Are they on a chair? Or are they on the couch? They are on the couch. Was you alright? I found my socks! I guess I missed some. Oh well. Okay, Mom, I'm ready.
Goo Goo Gaga, where are your shoes?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Go in the house and find your shoes, please.
Okay, Mommy. Oh boy, we're going cheating. Hey! Where are my shoes? Hey kid, where are my shoes? Are my shoes by the TV? Are they in the refrigerator? Or are they on the floor? They are on the floor. Let's go see, is you alright? Yay, I found my shoes! Oh yeah, baby. I'm I found my shoes.
Goo Goo Gaga, where's your hat?
Oh yeah, I forgot my hat.
Find your hat, please.
Okay, Mommy. Hey, where's my hat? Is my hat on the steps? Is my hat on the bed? Or is my hat on the chair? It is on the chair. Well, see, is you alright? I found my hat. Oh, you baby. I'm already. I found my hat.
Do you have on your socks?
Yes.
Do you have on your shoes?
Yes.
Do you have on your hat?
Yes, Mama. I do.
Go to the park.
Yay! Bye. Goo Goo Gaga.
Hello, car. I am coloring.
Wow, I bet you are having fun.
I am having fun. Do you want to color too?
I wish I could, Gaga Baby, but I don't have any hands.
How about we play hide and seek?
That will be fun.
You will count to 5. I will hide.
But I don't know how to count to 5.
Counting to 5 is easy. This is how you count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Awesome. Now I know how to count to 5.
Count my fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job, car. Count to 5. I will hide.
Okay, Gaga Baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
He won't find me in here.
Ready or not, here I come. Where is that Gaga Baby? I cannot find that Gaga Baby. I think I know where Gaga Baby is. I found you, Gaga Baby.
Oh man, you found me.
Okay, Gaga Baby, it's your turn to find me.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That Gaga Baby won't find me in here.
Ready or not, here I come.
Hi.
Nope, not in here. Where is that car?
Come on and find me, Gaga Baby.
I will find you, all right.
Hey.
Choose a better hiding spot next time.
Okay, Gaga Baby, it's your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
He won't find me in here.
Ready or not, here I come. Where is that Gaga Baby? I know where Gaga Baby is hiding. I found you, Gaga Baby. Okay, Gaga Baby, It's your turn to find me.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready or not, here I come.
Hey!
Where is that car?
Come on and find me, Gaga Baby. Hey, you found me again, Gaga Baby.
Yup, sure did.
Gaga Baby, thank you for teaching me how to count to 5.
You are welcome, dude.